I just need one soul.
Hey, are you sure you really need to go about this like?
Frisk. Frisk, come pick me up. Now listen. Do you want to save Gaster, or not?
Yes.
Okay, fine. But remember, even if you can't kill it, that monster soul won't last more than a second outside the host. Do you get what I'm saying? You cannot hesitate. You gotta grab it immediately, so either do it, or don't.
Oh, okay. I just...
Zira. I swear, I gotta do everything myself. Just give us one lousy soul.
No, I changed my mind. This isn't good.
Now. Frisk, there it is. Grab it now. There. You got it. See? That wasn't so. Frisk, can you hear me?
What's happening?
You're just absorbing that soul. Just stay calm and give it a minute. And don't drop me.
I have to load.
You idiot. Don't load anything yet. You're not completely integrated. I'm still attached to.
Have to.
Frisk, wait. No, not yet.
We need to stop.
Frisk.
I'm free. My soul is free. You freed me. Thank you, good human. Thank you.
Oh, Frisk. Frisk, you have to cancel right now. I don't have a soul. Without a vessel, I'm gonna die. I don't know how. Which file am I loading? You don't know? You don't know? I thought it'd be obvious to you.
I'm sorry I barked and growled at you. You are good.
Just cancel. I'm not supposed to be here, Frisk. If you pick wrong.
Don't. You are good and I'm free now.
I have to load something. Which one?
Any of them.
None of them.
File 3 loaded.
I'm back! I'm me! I'm me again! Wait a second. Are we all... Oh no.
What on earth is going on then?
This wasn't supposed to happen this way.
I'm me again! Haha, look at my happy self. It's not just you, idiot. Frisk, you messed this up. Now I've got limbs again. I can run again. I can move! Wait, no! Stop, guys! What's happening? Why are we all the same dog? Ah! 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 Ah!
Hey, look, he's chasing his tail.
Honestly, brother, every day that dumb dog gets weirder and weirder.
Sans! Papyrus! I know this is crazy to hear, but I'm actually really a human. I'm from the future, and in future where we're friends, and the barrier was destroyed, and all the monsters are on the surface again, and I came back in time to warn you that your friend Gaster is going to be in the accident in the core, and unless you stop him, he'll be lost in time and space forever!
Hello, humans. I am the Great Papyrus and I'm here to tell you to make sure you bash that like button and shoot that subscribe button if you're new. Smash that notification bell so you can never miss a video on this channel.